Hey, how you doing? Chris from Halo Inc. I'm going to show you how to do emblem or badge removal. Now there's various ones. Some of them will have just an adhesive around the edge. Some will be a full pad of adhesive. Some will have guide pins. But whichever way, we take our fishing line, we get it started in there, and then we work it back and forth. I like to just use the spool and wrap around my fingers. You can take a piece of copper tubing or a pen or something and wrap that on that to alleviate that tension. But I just find that when you do break a string like that, going and rewrapping it takes a lot of extra effort. If you're using just a nice even sawing motion, you shouldn't be digging into your fingers. If you do have something with a guide pin, or even if it feels like it's a full pad, I'll take the string and actually wrap it around itself, like so, and then just pull from the one side. And generally that will work well for a guide pin as well. This is a metal emblem, so as you're going, if you go side to side like this, you're going to constantly break the string. So if you try to run along the body, it'll help it to last longer. And then we'll try the little wrap around trick again here. So yeah, if you just wrap it around and then give a pull, it's going to be tightening and grabbing as it goes through the emblem. So that works nice as well. You have a full pad or some guide pins in there. And again, like I said, it'll break on you, so you just rewrap, use that sawing motion. This one's got the full pad, so we will try to do a little wrap around here again. Wrap around. Most of them won't be as big or as aggressive as this. You'll have, you know, a T and an O from a Toyota, or an N and an I from a Nissan, that kind of thing. It won't be a 3-inch by 2-inch piece of material there. So now once you've got it loosened up, you can even kind of come in and kind of see where you're at. Do not stick anything in here and pry on it. You will ding or dent up the vehicle. So once you get it cut, this is a full pad piece. See where the string works around it right there. Get it loose, kind of check it. Like this one, it pops right off. Thank you.